This complicated machine is our lifeline to the world, ever present in our daily lives. At ROG, we're always striving for design perfection without compromise, whether you're browsing the web or fighting hordes of evil robots. During low-power tasks, our zero-decibel technology allows the hardware to stay cool with the fan turned off for completely silent operation. But once you begin an intense gaming session, the powerful components inside start working harder. Confined in such a compact design, this produces heat which must be expelled to maintain peak operation. Balancing portability and performance is no easy task. To keep pushing these boundaries, ROG took things back to square one and revisited our entire thermal solution. First, we replaced traditional thermal paste with thermal grizzly liquid metal, which allows for much more efficient heat transfer and CPU temperatures up to 10 degrees cooler. Unlike typical pastes, liquid metal does not dry out over time, and our insulating pad prevents the liquid metal from leaking onto the motherboard. As the CPU heats up, that thermal energy travels through the liquid metal and into a set of copper heat pipes. Inside the vacuum of these hollow caverns, a small amount of water quickly boils into vapor, travels down the pipe, and condenses at the coolest point, where fans can expel the heat outside the machine. The liquid then flows back to continue the cycle. ROG's latest ArcFlow fans include a number of upgrades. We've increased the number of blades to 84, with the thickness of each blade varying across the surface to reduce air collision. We also created an anti-resonance design modeled on the form of a bird's wingtips. All of these improvements allow the fans to maintain high static pressure, providing more air exactly where it's needed and lowering noise by 2 decibels. By tweaking the design of the exit channel, high flow pathways self-clean and eject dust from the system more efficiently. Less dust means better contact between the air and the heatsink, further reducing temperatures and noise levels. ROG Intelligent Cooling constantly adjusts fan speed to changing conditions, carefully balancing performance and acoustics for any scenario. If you require more granular control, Armory Crate software offers scenario profiles, allowing you ultimate command over your system's fans on a game-by-game or application basis, unlocking your system's peak performance when you need it the most. No matter what you're doing, do so with confidence. ROG has never been cooler.